Did you hear that? I'll be back. Hey, it's Tony here. So I just installed a custom audio for the car. So when you hit the lock, when you go back and when it automatically locks it, it has a sound, right? So I added a custom one so that way it plays that. So let's get to it, how to do it. Okay, to install the sound, you need to take the USB from your Glovebox. There's a USB also in your center console, USB-C. That won't work if you have a spare one, and if you try to do it, like install it on the center console, so it won't read from there. Okay, so what we're going to do is, what we need to do is you need to open up your Glovebox and take your USB drive out. So let's do that. Okay, I'm sure you all know this, but if you don't know, tap on this icon, and on the over here you see Glovebox, or you can just tap on your microphone and say open Glovebox. So I'm just going to open Glovebox. I do have a lock on the Glovebox. Okay, my Glovebox is open, so let me take that USB out. So this is the USB, Tesla USB drive. It comes with a Tesla, right? So this is the one you need to install the sound to. 128 GB USB drive. If you want to install a bigger one, you can find it in Amazon, 1 terabyte, or other ones. You could install it. So let's do that, and let's come back and test it out.
Okay, you need to find that file that you want to store it. So if you go to if you go to browser and whatever you want, right, you could find it and save it, or you could create your own from your music file or something. But I already downloaded a file. You need to have a WAV file, WAV file, and MP3 won't work. I haven't tried with MP3, but they didn't say to use MP3, but Tesla said to use WAVE file. So once you have that file, so this is where I got installed it, downloaded it. So if I'll play, be back. There you go. So that's what it is. So that's what I'm going to install. So I'm going to put my USB drive. Okay, once I have my USB drive, then as you can see that this is the Tesla cam and everything is there, but I don't want to touch this. I want to drop it right into the root. So I'm just going to copy and paste it here. And you want to rename this. You cannot name it as what it is, but you want to rename it as a LockChime. .wav. So LockChime.wav file, that's what you want to rename to. Once you're done, that's it, right? Then you could just eject this, and you could go to, and next step is, let's put this into your car and let's try it out.
Okay, once you have that USB drive, right, that you saved, now you back to the car. Over here, you need to open up your Glovebox, and sure it goes like this over there, the Tesla one. So you put it back into the Glovebox. Okay, now it's back into the Glovebox. What you want to do is make sure you tap on this car icon, and once you're here, you want to scroll down to locks. Once you have locks here, then you want to scroll down here. Make sure you scroll on the right side, right, instead of here, because this will move the profile. So if you tap on anywhere over here, it will scroll down here and go to custom locks. So right now I have a custom locks over here. Tap on here and pick USB, and when you pick it, and you can hear the sound, I'll be back, right? You only can do one sound. You cannot do multiple sound in USB. I wish they add multiple sounds in USB so that way it reads, you can have different sounds and you can randomly play it. But they do have a random here. I'm guessing it will randomly pick all of these, including USB, maybe. Maybe it will skip. But anyway, if you tap on it, as you can hear it, the sound, right? That's how you do it. So you cannot actually, there's a USB over here in console. It doesn't work over there. So if you try to put it onto the console USB-C, it won't work. It has to be in the glove box. Thank you. Please support by subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Thank you.